Isharara-parara, yararara-parara-pararam.
يلا فوق.
Tarara-darara-darara-darara. أهلاً سمسم.
In 2018, production began on a new children's show from Sesame Workshop, meant to address an urgent need facing children throughout the Middle East. Over the last decade, 12 million people from Syria have been displaced. Over half are children. And for them, the trauma of war and displacement can have lifelong effects. In response to this crisis, Sesame Workshop launched a program with the International Rescue Committee to bring early learning to millions of children, from refugee and host communities alike.
Ahlan Simsim is the name of the new series. It's in New Sesame Street.
What we wanted to do is to bring our expertise to address the crisis that children living in the Syrian response region were experiencing.
We brought creatives from the region together to create inspiring characters children can relate to. Basma is a bold, adventurous girl Muppet who loves to sing and dance. Her best friend Jad, who's new to the neighborhood, expresses himself through art. And Mezouza is a mischievous goat who follows them everywhere.
عالم أهلاً سمسم هو عالم مليء بالفرح والضحك والصداقة والبراءة والطفولة والمحبة.
Education experts developed the curriculum for the show.
The children, they don't know what verbs to use to describe what they are feeling.
We were talking about the vocabulary of emotions, the ABCs of the emotions.
After learning that children in the region need help managing big feelings,
So scared.
He gets frustrated.
the team weaves coping strategies into the show's songs and storylines. The IRC is using the show along with other Ahlan Simsim materials in direct services and in-person learning to complete a circle of care around the most vulnerable families.
كل حدا اشتغل في هذا البرنامج حط قلبه في هذا الاشي يعني بتمنى يضحكوا ويستفيدوا ويتعلموا سواء كانوا كبار أو صغار.
Ahlan Simsim is bringing joy, laughter, and playful learning to a generation of children, helping to build the resilience they need to thrive now and far into the future.